Millionaire Financial Literacy. The key to unlocking abundance. Knowledge is the key to unlocking a life of abundance and prosperity. In this fast-paced and ever-changing financial landscape, it's crucial to equip ourselves with the tools and understanding needed to navigate the path to wealth and financial freedom. Let's get into the secret to making informed decisions, building a strong financial foundation, and paving the way to a future filled with abundance and limitless opportunities. Step 1. Set clear financial goals. Just like a ship sailing through turbulent waters, having a destination in mind ensures we stay on course amidst life's challenges. By defining achievable goals, we empower ourselves to make informed decisions and take intentional steps towards our dreams. These financial aspirations fuel our motivation, instill discipline, and provide a roadmap for success. As we work towards our goals, we'll witness the magic of progress, witnessing our efforts transform into tangible achievements. Dare to dream, set your sights high, and let your clear financial goals become the catalyst for a life filled with abundance and fulfillment. Step 2. Create a budget. Picture it as a blueprint for your financial success, guiding you towards wise money management. A well-crafted budget empowers you to understand your income, track expenses, and identify areas for potential savings and investment. It lays the foundation for financial discipline, ensuring that your money aligns with your aspirations and dreams. Embrace the power of budgeting as a tool to gain control over your finances and build a solid financial future. Remember, every dollar wisely accounted for brings you closer to the realization of your goals. Step 3. Pay off high-interest debts. Like a determined climber conquering a steep mountain, tackling high-interest debts requires persistence and unwavering focus. As we take decisive steps towards debt reduction, we lighten our financial burden, making way for increased savings and investments. The weight of interest fades away, replaced by the exhilaration of progress and the thrill of inching closer to our dreams. Let us embrace this challenge with courage and tenacity, knowing that every debt repaid brings us nearer to the realm of financial abundance. Step 4. Build an emergency fund. With an emergency fund in place, we gain peace of mind knowing that we can weather any unforeseen financial challenges without derailing our dreams. As we diligently set aside funds for the unexpected, we cultivate a sense of security and resilience. Just as a mighty oak tree stands tall amidst the winds, our emergency fund empowers us to stand firm in the face of adversity. Let's embark on this journey with determination. Each contribution to our fund reinforces the ability to thrive and soar towards the realm of true financial freedom. As we build our emergency fund, we sow the seeds of abundance, ensuring that we are prepared for whatever life throws our way. Step 5. Diversify your investments. By spreading your investments across various asset classes, you minimize risk and maximize the potential for growth. Diversification acts as a shield, protecting your wealth from the unpredictable storms of the market. Embrace this power with enthusiasm, knowing that each decision adds a new dimension to your financial canvas. As your investments flourish like a well-tended garden, you'll witness a magnificent growth of wealth, and step by step, you'll unlock the true abundance that awaits you on this thrilling journey of millionaire financial literacy. Enter a world where dreams become reality. Our blog, BraylenAV.com, unlocks the secrets of success, luxury, and extraordinary living. Subscribe now. Step 6. Educate yourself. By embracing a thirst for learning, you become the architect of your own success, shaping your financial destiny with each book and every lesson absorbed. Just like a beacon illuminating a darkened path, education shines a light on the intricacies of finance, guiding you towards great decisions and smart strategies. Embrace the power of education with enthusiasm and determination. It is through continuous learning that you unlock the door to boundless opportunities. With each new insight gained, you'll navigate the complexities of the financial world with confidence and precision, and inch by inch, you'll step into the realm of abundance that awaits in the realm of millionaire financial literacy. Step 7. Develop multiple income streams. By diversifying your sources of income, you cultivate resilience and open doors to boundless opportunities. Like a skilled architect building a sturdy structure, you construct a foundation of financial security that withstands the test of time. Embrace the power of multiple income streams with enthusiasm. It is through innovation and adaptability that you unlock the true potential of your wealth. With each income stream flowing harmoniously, you'll witness the magic of compounded prosperity, step by step, unlocking the gates to an abundant life. Step 8. Avoid impulse spending. By embracing mindful spending, you take control of your financial course, charting a path towards lasting prosperity. Embrace this power of avoiding impulse spending with enthusiasm. It is through mindful choices that you build a strong foundation for your dreams. With each thoughtful decision, you'll witness the empowering transformation of your financial landscape, step by step, unlocking the true abundance. Step 9. Monitor your credit score. By keeping a watchful eye on your credit score, you gain the power to open doors to favorable interest rates and borrowing opportunities. Like a skilled conductor guiding a symphony, you orchestrate your financial harmony, ensuring a strong credit foundation for your dreams to flourish. Embrace the power of monitoring your credit score with enthusiasm. It is through responsible financial stewardship that you shape a future of limitless possibilities. Step 10. Seek professional advice. By consulting financial experts, you gain access to a treasure trove of knowledge and insights, empowering you to make informed decisions on your path to wealth. Like a skilled navigator charting a course through uncharted waters, you navigate the complexities of finance with confidence and precision. Embrace the power of seeking professional advice. It is through this guidance that you unlock the true potential of your financial journey. Millionaire financial literacy is the ultimate key that unlocks the doors to a life of abundance and prosperity. By arming ourselves with knowledge and understanding, we gain the power to take control of our financial destiny. The journey may be filled with challenges, but with each step forward, we inch closer to the dreams we envision. Embrace the process with enthusiasm and an eagerness to learn. Every piece of wisdom acquired becomes a stepping stone towards success. As we navigate the dynamic world of finance, we can break free from the shackles of financial worries and unleash our potential to create a life of limitless possibilities. So let's embark on this empowering adventure together and embrace the power of millionaire financial literacy. Your future of abundance awaits, and it all begins with the decision to empower yourself and shape your financial destiny. Start today, and watch as the doors of opportunity swing open, leading you towards a life beyond your wildest imagination. Your journey towards financial freedom begins now, and with the right knowledge and mindset, the sky's the limit.